grocery shopping.
Hi there, are you finding everything okay?
Oh, hey. Yes, I'm just looking for the pasta aisle. I can never find it in this store.
It's right down that way, just past the dairy section.
Thanks a lot. I always end up walking in circles here.
No problem at all. I'm Sarah, by the way.
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Jack. Do you shop here often?
Actually, I do. It's the closest place to my apartment. But I'm always in a rush, so I don't get to explore much.
I totally understand. I live just across the street, so I come here a lot. What brings you out today?
I'm just stocking up for the week. I like to cook, but I tend to buy the same things every time.
I'm the opposite. I love trying new recipes, so I end up buying all sorts of random things.
That sounds fun. I usually stick to pasta and chicken, but I'm trying to get more creative.
What kind of food do you like to make?
I'm really into Italian food. Pasta, pizza, anything with a lot of cheese.
You and me both. I'm always looking for new pasta sauces. Have you tried the homemade pesto here? It's amazing.
I haven't. I always just get the Jarrett stuff. I'll definitely give it a try.
Definitely worth it. I also love making a big salad to go with my meals. Do you like salad?
Yeah, but I'm picky. I don't like it too heavy on dressing. Just a little olive oil and vinegar.
That's a good way to do it. I'm the opposite, though. I load mine up with all kinds of things.
Sounds delicious. Maybe one day you can teach me how to make a salad that actually tastes good.
Deal. So, do you live alone?
Yeah, I do. It's a bit lonely sometimes, but it's nice to have my space.
I get that. I live with a roommate, but we don't always see each other. Busy lives and all that.
Yeah, exactly. I think that's why I enjoy cooking. It's something I can focus on by myself.
Cooking is a great way to unwind. What's your favorite meal to make?
I love making a big lasagna. It takes a while, but it's so worth it when it's done.
Lasagna is always a win. You can never go wrong with that. Are you into desserts too?
Oh, definitely. I can't say no to a good chocolate cake.
I'm with you on that. If you ever need someone to help eat all those cakes, you know where to find me.
I'll keep that in mind. It was really nice meeting you, Sarah.
You too, Jack. Good luck with the rest of your shopping.
Planning a vacation.
Hey, are you thinking about taking any vacations soon?
Actually, yes. I've been trying to decide where to go. I'm looking for somewhere relaxing, maybe by the beach. Do you have any suggestions?
That sounds nice. If you want something relaxing, I've heard great things about the Greek islands. The beaches are beautiful, and the food is amazing.
Greece sounds perfect. I've always wanted to visit Santorini. The sunsets there are famous, right?
Absolutely. The sunsets in Santorini are incredible. I've seen pictures, but I'm sure they're even better in person. You could also explore the little towns and enjoy the local seafood.
That's exactly what I'm looking for. Peaceful beaches, good food, and maybe a little sightseeing. How about you? Do you have any vacation plans for this year?
Actually, I've been thinking about taking a trip to Japan. I've always wanted to experience their culture, and I hear the cherry blossoms are amazing in the spring.
Japan sounds like a dream. The cherry blossoms are on my bucket list too. And I bet the food there is something else, sushi and ramen everywhere.
Definitely. I'm really excited to try all the local dishes, especially in Tokyo. But I also want to visit Kyoto for the temples and traditional gardens. It seems so peaceful there.
That sounds incredible. I've heard Kyoto is beautiful, especially during the spring. But I think I'd be torn between the modern hustle of Tokyo and the serenity of Kyoto. It's hard to choose.
That's true. I think I'll spend a few days in both. Tokyo for the city life, and then Kyoto to relax and see the historical sites. I want to really get the full experience.
I think that's a great idea. Mixing the two will give you a good balance. Have you been to Japan before?
No, This will be my first time. I've been to a few countries in Europe, but Japan has always fascinated me. The mix of tradition and technology is so interesting.
I can only imagine how exciting that must be. As for me, I've been to Italy a couple of times, and I absolutely loved it. The culture, the art, and of course, the food.
Italy is on my list too. Rome, Florence, Venice. Each city is so unique. What was your favorite part of Italy?
I think I'd have to say Rome. The history is just everywhere. Standing in front of the Colosseum, knowing it's been there for centuries, was such a surreal experience.
Wow, I bet that was amazing. It's like stepping back in time. Italy has so much history to offer. Maybe next time, we can both plan a trip there.
That sounds like a great idea. I'd love to explore Italy again. And we could share travel tips from our different experiences.
Absolutely. It would be fun to compare notes. Anyway, I'm still in the planning phase, but I think I'll start booking things soon. Do you have a date in mind for your trip to Greece?
I was thinking about late summer. That way, I can enjoy the beach and the warm weather. I've heard that's the best time to visit Santorini.
Sounds perfect. I'd suggest you book everything early. Santorini can get pretty crowded during the summer, but it's totally worth it.
I'll definitely keep that in mind. It's exciting to think about it all coming together. I can already picture myself enjoying the sunsets with a nice glass of wine in hand.
That sounds like the ideal vacation. I'm sure it'll be an unforgettable experience. We should definitely share our vacation stories when we get back.
I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for all the great suggestions, Ollie. I feel much more confident about my trip now.
Anytime, Sarah. I'm sure you'll have an amazing time in Greece. And who knows, maybe I'll see you in Japan someday.
That would be amazing. Have a great time planning your trip, and I can't wait to hear all about it when you get back.
Thanks, you too. I'm sure your trip to Greece will be unforgettable.
I hope so. Have a wonderful time, Ollie.
Studying for exams.
Hey, Sarah. How's it going? Are you ready for the exams next week?
Oh, Amir, it's been so stressful lately. I've been studying non-stop, but I'm still feeling like I'm not ready. I just can't seem to remember everything.
I get that. The amount of material can be overwhelming. What's your strategy? Are you focusing on any particular subjects?
Honestly, I'm trying to go through all the subjects, but I'm spending most of my time on math and physics. I find them the hardest. What about you?
Same here. Math and physics are definitely the toughest for me too. But I've been making a lot of flashcards for formulas and concepts. It helps me memorize things better.
That's a good idea. I've been trying to do practice problems, but sometimes I feel like I'm just memorizing answers without really understanding the concepts.
Yeah, I've had that issue too. I find that explaining concepts to someone else helps me a lot. Have you tried teaching what you've learned to a friend or even to yourself?
That's actually a good tip. I haven't tried that yet, but I might give it a go. Maybe if I talk through the problems, I'll understand them better.
Exactly. And it doesn't even have to be with someone else. Just talking out loud to yourself can make a big difference. Plus, it'll help you remember things when you need them.
I'll definitely try that. By the way, how are you dealing with the stress? I feel like I'm constantly stressed, and it's hard to relax.
I know what you mean. It's tough. What's been helping me is taking short breaks every hour or so. I go for a quick walk or stretch a bit. It clears my mind and keeps me from burning out.
I've been feeling so guilty about taking breaks, like I'm wasting time, but maybe I should try to incorporate them. I think my brain is overloaded right now.
Trust me, those breaks are important. I used to feel the same way, but now I realize that if I don't take a break, I just end up staring at my notes and not absorbing anything. A little time to refresh is crucial.
You're right. I'll try to be kinder to myself. And also, I've been thinking about joining a study group. Do you think that would help?
Study groups can be super helpful, especially if you're stuck on something. It's nice to have different perspectives, and sometimes just hearing someone else explain something can make it click.
That sounds like a good idea. I actually have a few friends in the same class, so maybe we can form a small group. Have you ever been in one?
Yeah, I've been in a few, and they were really helpful. We would take turns explaining concepts to each other, and we'd quiz each other on the material. It felt more like a team effort than just individual studying.
That sounds fun. I could use some team support right now. Maybe it'll make studying feel less lonely too.
Definitely. And you can make it more enjoyable by planning something fun afterward. Like, if you finish a study session, you could go for a coffee or watch an episode of your favorite show.
I love that idea. A little reward system sounds like a good way to stay motivated. Thanks for the suggestion, Amir.
No problem. We've got this, Sarah. We'll power through the exams and then enjoy the break afterward. Just keep a positive mindset.
Thanks, Amir. I needed that pep talk. You've made me feel a lot better. I'll try to stay positive and focus on one step at a time.
You're welcome. You've got this, Sarah. If you ever need to take a break or talk about anything, I'm here. Let's crush these exams.
I appreciate it, Amir. I'll definitely keep that in mind. Let's both ace these exams and celebrate afterward.
Sounds like a plan. Good luck with your studying, and let's keep in touch.
You too, Amir. Let's do our best and get through this together.